Here I have Realme C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Eye Comfort, and this is basically just a night mode. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its intensity here, and you can also add a schedule for this mode. You can set it on a custom time. Here you can select start time, end time, and you can also set it from sunset to sunrise, but first we will have to enable location access to this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.